Take your remote and flip it over. There's a little thing right here that you push over with your fingernail, and as that is pushed over, there's a little gap here that you have to exploit and pull out on. So in other words, you've got to take your fingernail, push it over like that, exploit this little gap right here and pull out on it. Then it releases. Now I'm stopping right here. I'm hoping you'll be able to see it. There's a little bit of writing right here that says CR 2025. That's telling you the proper size battery to go in. Then it has a plus sign right here. That's letting you know the battery goes in this way, not like this. Meaning the battery didn't go in like that. It goes in where you see the plus sign. One thing you can get a little bit backwards, or try to get backwards, is you can try to put it in this way. It won't really fit down flush. It has to go in like this. All you do is push this back in, just like this, and you're all finished. I have two Amazon affiliate links down below. One is for a Duracell battery that fits this remote, and the other is for a 6-pack of batteries that only cost a couple of dollars more than the Duracell, and that's the one that I personally bought. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.